Fresh violence in Manipur's Kangpokpi district has left 3 people dead and several houses destroyed by fire. The attack took place in the early hours of Friday in Loibul village. According to local sources, unidentified armed assailants launched the assault. Residents reported hearing intense gunfire as the attackers allegedly opened indiscriminate fire on the village. The sudden attack triggered panic among villagers. Many rushed to find safety as the violence unfolded. The assault was accompanied by widespread destruction. Several houses were set on fire during the attack. Flames quickly spread through parts of the village, reducing multiple homes to ashes. The full extent of the property damage is still being assessed. 3 people were killed in the incident. The victims have been identified. Their deaths have sent shockwaves through the local community. Family members and residents gathered to mourn the victims. Local leaders have also expressed concern over the deteriorating the security situation in the area. Security forces were immediately rushed to the village after reports of gunfire and arson emerged. Police personnel were deployed to secure the area and prevent further violence. Search operations were also launched in nearby locations. Authorities have begun an investigation into the incident. Officials are working to establish the sequence of events and identify those responsible for the attack. Security agencies are collecting evidence and recording statements from witnesses. No organization has claimed responsibility for the violence so far. However, some local residents have alleged the involvement of armed militant groups. Authorities have not officially confirmed these allegations and say all possibilities are being examined. The latest incident has once again highlighted the fragile security situation in Kangpokpi district. The region has witnessed repeated episodes of violence amid ongoing ethnic tensions in Manipur. Despite efforts by security agencies to maintain peace, and the incidents of violence continue to be reported from different parts of the state. The latest attack has renewed concerns about the safety of residents living in vulnerable areas. The incident has also raised questions about the effectiveness of existing security measures. Many villagers fear that such attacks could recur if stronger safeguards are not put in place. Officials say additional security personnel have been deployed in and around the affected region. Authorities are closely monitoring the situation to prevent any further escalation. For now, tension remains high in the area. Residents are hoping for peace and stability as security forces continue their operations and investigators work to uncover the facts behind the deadly attack. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.